Hola, hola, muy buenos días. Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a beautiful, amazing, phenomenal day. We're right here at All Star Auto Body. We just got another claim in here. You know, we just don't stop, baby. Give us a call, 805-816-2680. Set up an appointment today or get a free estimate. allstarautobody.biz, baby. We just don't stop. I'm going to put it right here so you can click the link and get a free estimate. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you want to move forward, great. If you don't, it's okay. Doesn't hurt. You don't lose anything. And let's just say you want to get something fixed, but you don't have the money. Guess what? All Star Auto Body offers 0% financing for 3 months to 6 months. So give us a call, 805-816-2680, or stop on by 1021 Industrial Avenue, or we have all the other 25 locations. Look us up, allstarautobody.biz. Submit a free estimate. We just let's go. Have a beautiful, blessed Sunday, and let's keep on rocking and rolling. Right, Junior? Hola.
Hate me, fry me, bake me, try me, all the above, cause you can't get in. I don't want no